Top 5 Options Buying Mistakes. Most traders lose money in options buying. But why? Avoid these mistakes to become a pro options buyer. Number 1. Trading OTM contracts. OTM options have a higher rate of time decay. Even if the underlying asset remains relatively stable, the OTM options will decay and you will face loss. Number 2. Holding till expiry. It's mostly seen on expiry days. New traders hold options even till 3:30 p.m. on expiry days in the hope that the market will reverse, but in reality, it becomes zero and turns into a big loss. Number 3. Not knowing the trend. If you are an option buyer, then the trend should be your friend. And you should always trade in the direction of the market trend. Number 4. Improper risk management. New traders don't have a fixed risk limit per trade. And one wrong trade takes away a big chunk of their capital. Number 5. Having no exit plan. In options trading, it's very important to have a strong exit plan. Exiting the options when the rally is over is very important to make big gains. If you can control and don't repeat these mistakes, then option buying is for you.